Good morning, student. In my previous video, I have explained chapter number 1, Introduction to Accounting, and learning objective of this chapter was need for accounting, meaning of accounting, characteristics of accounting, objective of accounting, function of accounting. So I have explained in previous video all these things. Now I am present with some new topic. This is also under chapter 1, Introduction to Accounting. This video is making for class 11th. Today 21st May 2020 and my lecture number is 3A. Topic is first, bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. We will know the difference among them and branches or type of accounting. So let us see bookkeeping. These three are bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Sometimes considered as synonymous, that is, having the same meaning. However, there is a fundamental difference amongst bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. So first, bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealing in a set of book. Bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealing in a set of book. This definition has been given by J.R. Bartleby. J.R. Bartleby was a writer. He had given definition of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the science and art of recording correctly in the books of account all those business transactions that result in the transfer of money or money's worth. There are many definitions of bookkeeping. It is mainly concerned with record keeping or maintenance of book. Recording is the main purpose. The main maintenance of books of accounts include the following 4 activities. There are 4 activities will be in bookkeeping. First, identifying the transaction of financial nature from amongst the various transactions. Financial nature means the transaction which can be measured in terms of money. So first thing is identifying. Second thing is measure in term of money. Measuring in term of money. All those transactions which have financial nature will be measured in term of money. For example, suppose I say I have 200 chair only, then it will not recorded in book. But I say I have chair of worth rupees 2000, it will recorded in book. Third point is recording the identified transaction in the books of original entry. Original entries. And fourth point is classifying them into ledger. Classifying them into ledger. So these are 4 points included in bookkeeping. Now second is accounting. Accounting start where bookkeeping ends. Where bookkeeping ends, accounting starts. So it includes first thing is summarizing. And classified transaction in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Student, A by C means account, and PL means profit, P by L means profit and loss. So profit and loss account. Now point B, analyzing and interpreting the result. Analyzing and interpreting the result. In other words, drawing the meaningful information from profit and loss and balance sheet. We have to analyze and interpreting the result. Next point is communicating. Communicating the information. To the interested parties. Thus, an accountant work goes beyond that of a bookkeeper. However, in actual practice, the accounting process includes the bookkeeping function also, because on the basis of bookkeeping records, an accountant draws up periodically such financial statement as profit and loss account and balance sheet, etc. In a small concern, the accountant performs the work of bookkeeper also. So, this is accounting. Now, third point is accountancy. It refers to a systematic knowledge of accounting concerned with the principles and techniques. Systematic knowledge with the principles and technique. Which are applied in accounting. It tells us how to communicate it to the interested parties. According to Kohler, accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and practices of accounting. According to Kohler is a writer. Kohler says, accounting refers to the entire body of the theory and practice of accounting. Hence, theory and practice. Hence, we can say that accounting includes both bookkeeping, accounting, both are including in accountancy, because accounting include bookkeeping, and bookkeeping is the theoretical part of accounting, and accounting is the practical part, and both are including in accountancy. Now I am going to show you some differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping and accounting. First difference is bookkeeping include identifying the transaction of financial nature, and accounting include summarizing the classified transaction. Second thing is, it is primary stage, and it is secondary stage. The bookkeeping function is routine and clerical in nature, but accounting function is analytical in nature. The bookkeeping function is performed by junior staff, and accounting function performed by senior staff. Of the office. Knowledge level. In bookkeeping, limited level of knowledge is required. Limited knowledge, and in accounting, need of higher level of knowledge. The bookkeeper is not required to possess analytical skill, but accountant is required to possess analytical skill for perform the work of accounting. So these are the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Now I am going to explain about and differentiate between accounting and accountancy. Accounting concerned with recording, classifying, summarizing of transaction, recording, classifying, and summarizing transaction. But Accountancy is a body of knowledge prescribing certain rules or principles to be observed while recording, classifying, and summarizing of transaction. It means rule of accountancy, principle of accountancy, knowledge of accountancy will apply in accounting. Second thing is scope. Narrow, it is narrow in scope. Narrow in scope. And it is wider in scope. Because it includes bookkeeping as well as accounting. And accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. Accounting depends upon bookkeeping. Accounting depends on bookkeeping. And accountancy depends both on bookkeeping and accounting. Now, accounting main function is to ascertain the net result and the financial position of the business and to communicate them to interested parties. But it includes, accountancy includes the decision making of function also on the basis of information provided by bookkeeping and accounting. So these are the difference between accounting and accountancy. Now, branches of accounting. There are 5 branches. First, financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, social responsibility of accounting. Management nowadays requires various types of information to perform its function more efficiently. To meet the increasing requirement of management, various specialized branch of accounting have come into existence. So these branches are explained as financial accounting. What is financial accounting? The main purpose of these branches of accounting is to record the business transaction in a systematic manner, to ascertain the profit and loss of the accounting period by preparing a profit and loss account, and to present the financial position of business by preparing balance sheet. So this branch of accounting provides information required by the management and various other interested parties. And we are also study at this time financial accounting. Now, second point is cost accounting. The main purpose of cost accounting is to ascertain the total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business. It is also estimated the cost in advance and help the management in exercising a strict control over cost, because when cost of goods will be more, then no one will purchase the goods. So it is necessary to cost of production should be low. There are difference in cost and price. Student, listen. Price means the goods which is sold in market at certain price, and cost means the value which is the production, value of production. Third point is management accounting. The main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such a way as to assist the management in planning and controlling the operation of the business. The management accountant uses various techniques and concepts to make the accounting data more useful for managerial decision making. These techniques include ratio analysis, budgetary control, fund flow statement, and cash flow statement, etc. So, management account include ratio analysis, fund flow, and cash flow, etc. Tax accounting. This is also a complex accounting. The branches of accounting which is used for tax purpose is called tax accounting. Income tax and GST, goods and service tax, are computed on the basis of this accounting. And the last point is social responsibility of accounting. The society provides the infrastructure and the facility without which business cannot operate at all. Without society and infrastructure of society, no business can survive and operate. Hence, the business also has a responsibility to the society. There is a growing demand for reports on activities which reflects the contribution of an enterprise to the society. Social responsibility accounting poses identifying, measuring, and communicating the contribution of business to the society. So, social responsibility accounting technique have been developed for measuring the cost of these contributions and the benefit to the society. Now, I will meet you with a new topic of chapter 1st. Now, in 4th video. For till time, thank you very much.